Get out of here. Get on out of here.
We got monarchs flying in. Mom's pets. So we got some stuff. More parts unboxing. This may go with at the end of my parts unboxing. But if it doesn't, welcome to Clark's place.
Oh, you got a bunch of air pillows. Whoa, look at all of them.
We can finally sleep good at night. This is electric cutout 3.0, 3-inch dump legs, and 3-inch exhaust kit shipped from Texas. Ooh la la.
Controls.
So we got those little washer buddies, power, a toggle, and only one of these?
Yeah, that's in there.
There better be two. Is there another box that came?
Nope. Just one.
So this is your butterfly exhaust for straight dumping your exhaust. I want to hear my car NASCAR style.
Yeah. Okay. Maybe it's in here. Got it.
I don't know.
Yeah, why? You wonder why you only got one?
I thought I ordered a kit for two. But maybe I need to order another one. I don't know. You know how they get you. You think you're ordering a set, and you're
What
ordering
does it
one.
say on your thing?
3-inch dump legs and electric cutout. One.
Yeah, you probably thought it was a kit.
Yeah, well, there's lots of kits for 300. This one was 150.
That's
So
half of 300.
yeah, there you go.
And there's your. It looks like you got two of those.
Yeah. Okay, dump. Sweet. Yeah, I thought these were sold as a pair. But it should be opposite.
So you're gonna have to look it up and see if it was $300, then you didn't order it. You only ordered
Yeah,
one.
so exhaust will come, I guess, out of, I'm trying to slice myself with the
I was gonna say, close the blade, will you? We don't need to go to the hospital today.
So I think that's what I'm doing. Out of the exhaust, comes down, dumps, and then this continues exhaust. Or like this, or however they work to transition from headers. Yeah, I'm not sure how this will go. But we still need that.
Yeah, you still have to
We
buy.
still need the flange for that.
No, it goes right there. You got the flange on there.
No, you're crazy. That's the dump.
Oh,
That's the dump.
well, that's what you need.
This is what mounts to the exhaust. And I may need to order another electric cutout. It looks like I only got one. But for running purposes on the engine stand, I don't need these. So I've got time. So yeah, put those away. That's all trash.
Yeah. Here.
Okay, topper.
More trash. A pillow.
Ooh, yeah.
A big exhaust system with Flowmasters.
We got some big 3-inch pipes.
Yeah.
There's all the hardware, and
Can't believe you don't get the header.
I don't think you get the
Pieces.
flange.
The header flanges.
Let's pull it all out and set it up.
There's your.
This is Move that.
Move it. Move it where?
I'm just gonna set this down.
We're gonna lay it all out.
Rear.
Yep, that's rear. That's rear.
Rear and a rear. And I'm guessing this wouldn't be up to exhaust with it.
Yeah, could be.
Seems like 19 feet too long.
It could be that. I don't know. You gotta put your mufflers in there somewhere.
Yeah, no, they go back in here.
Got some blackens.
Yeah, I thought that's kind of the theme of the cars. Red, black, and white. So, I'm guessing these are back here.
Well, that's a long one.
So, are these? No, these have to go here.
Yeah.
That's got to be the way that goes.
I don't know.
I don't know. Yeah, I think that is close. Maybe. And then mufflers go both right there. If I can get a picture of the kit, I'll throw a picture of the kit up here.
Well,
How it shows it laid out.
I think these come off of your exhaust and they go into that.
The exhaust.
See how that is like that? That angles into that and the other one angles into the other side. These are swapped. Because this is what goes to your header.
Well, you're not very straight lining back here with the muffler. And that's flanged. So's that. You got two flanged ends.
Yeah, well then it's good here.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Because that's pretty straight coming out the pipe. Or out the exhaust.
Yeah, that comes right off your headers.
Maybe.
Yeah. And in between here is where your, or down there if you want, is where your cutouts will go.
No, the cutouts go right here. What'd you do with them?
They're over there.
They in this trash box?
That's correct.
Where'd they go?
You're in the box underneath the flap there. You can't see it.
Oh. Yeah, these are going to be the first things that come out. Boom. We need a flange first, though.
Yeah.
I guess they could come down in line somewhere.
Yeah, so you could block that off.
It's not going to be blocked up. It's going to have that electric motor thing.
No, I'm saying, or you could block them off.
Yeah, you can block them and be permanently blocked, and then if you just go to the drag strip, that whole piece right here can replace this bend.
Yeah, it might. Okay.
I think. Let's play with it. For now, we're just going to hook up probably 2 of these pipes and then put the mufflers on the end of them. Don't you think?
No, you hook this up.
No, you don't.
Yeah, because this is going to be welded to your flange that bolts to that.
Fine.
Or
we need a
your
flange.
flange will fit inside here because that's already cut.
And we can clamp
So you
it.
put that on there and then just put any spare pipe on there, or just put your 2 mufflers. That's all
Yeah.
you need.
Could be, yeah. Fine.
So, but you still don't have your flange.
Oh, these, you know what? These might be for over the hump to go out a straight section. I don't know.
No, I don't either. Yeah, they could be the pieces that go out the back.
Don't know, because that over the wheel well, that stops right there. I still need a dump out to the rear of the car.
Let's see, that is
And there's no more pieces besides one more muffler.
angling in. Yeah, that could be. Time you put that other one in, it's a real short. Right,
Goes right
those.
into the H.
Yeah. So those are probably on the end of those that go straight out,
Shooting out the back.
under your, right here under your trunk.
Yeah,
So yeah.
I'm thinking so.
And these are going to be here.
Potentially, yes.
Yes,
I think so.
I think so too. We'll see.
Okay, that's the Flowmaster unboxing. Needs some flanges to hook it to the rear of the headers.
The kit that had the flanges pictured.
No, I told you, I didn't think I saw it when I was buying it. This was like $982 or something like that for those of you that are wondering how much a Flowmaster 3-inch exhaust setup costs. Yeah, those must round and kind of round and kick straight out from these. And you can twisty turn them and find out where you like them and then weld them or clamp them with the O-clamps.
Yep. Okay.
You like?
Yep.
All right. Oh, there's the... Yeah, I never saw that had a logo on it.
You saw the card
On both of them?
No, just one.
Oh, just the one. Okay. I thought the guy sold me these as TTI headers, but then you showed me the sticker card that said they're hooker headers. And I got them for $600.
Is it in that thing?
Yeah. Hooker 187. Wonder what the 187 is.
I don't know.
How thick each of the tubes are, maybe?
I don't know.
Cost $9.50. Got them for $6.50. Yeah, but I thought they were TTI. He must have said hooker headers, and I thought those would be fine. So Pop said I got a waller out in the previous video. Waller out to get this bolt in there.
Yeah, we can't get.
You can see it's not in there yet.
See that hole there? You can't get to that one there. It's behind the pipe. So you put those 2 screws in first, and then put it over and slide it back.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and then tighten it.
Huh.
Because you can't get that started.
Yeah, I see.
That's the only one. But this last one here, it just wants to go at an angle, so it needs to be that hole ground out.
Oh yeah, you don't have
maybe
it
that one.
tight.
Oh no, they're not tight at all.
Yeah, gotcha.
And there's the 2.
I see.
And
Same with the other side?
Yep, same on the other side.
Okay, cool. All right, so that's the exhaust. I think that you kind of twisty turn it. You may have to cut. I think with the pipes exhaust system that we got, that's also why I got the Flowmaster, is I wanted to see better or worse than the pipes system that we did on the 72 Challenger. I thought that one went really well, the pipe system, but I liked the Flowmaster sound from everything I read online. And I also got the dumps so I can get the full nitro sound. I'm not running nitro, but still.
You may have to do something different because this is set up for that to come right off those headers, not with this in between. It's going to shove all that back.
It can't come right off those headers. It's 3 feet apart right here, straight pipes back. So it doesn't go into those H's.
No, it doesn't go.
But this kit is made for headers. That's what I bought it for.
Yeah, I know. I don't know why. That's why I thought these pipes made sense.
Yeah, I did too.
If they go in there, that comes off straight. But I think those are for the back.
Yeah, I'm guessing too.
So I guess
we'll plug and play and figure it out once it's up in the car. But for now, we will run 2 pipes out, maybe like Dad said, those dumps into the exhaust, and have that just hanging off here so we can run this without it sounding like a NASCAR. So cool unboxing, and we'll show all the little electronics and all that when we'll probably do a whole video on that, wiring all that stuff up. But going to be cool. I didn't see any flange in here. Nope. No luck. So I don't know. I'll have to go buy a cheapy flange. And by cheapy I mean like probably 50 bucks a side.
Probably.
Yeah.
Yeah,
so.
you're gonna have to go down to O'Reilly and we'll order it online from Summit. So
Yep.
2 flanges.
I need a vertical out of this, which I already ordered, and then Pop said I need another water to where we can hook that to itself.
Right.
Yeah.
Everything else pretty well hooked up.
And then we're gonna be wiring the sniper, so sniper video, exhaust video.
Coil, you need a coil.
I don't need a coil, Pop. It comes with the sniper system.
Well,
I've shown you 4 times that brick.
No, but-
that's a coil.
But we need a coil to wire that into.
No, we're gonna wire it. That's part of the sniper.
Comes off the coil, but wherever it is on that box.
We're wiring that whole setup in, so when we plug it under the car, everything works. We just mount that stuff to the firewall.
Yeah.
All right, another unboxing from Summit. We needed it for the, oh, there's the gasket. And this, there's hardware.
Oh yeah.
Cool. And this, oh, I was gonna look at it. Well, dang it, they heat shrinked it in there, or they taped around it. Golly. Alright, so this is the Summit one. Looks pretty good. Comes with the bung. And then should have 2 of the bung plugs. Nice. So I got 2 of those for the exhaust. I'll plug 1 of the bungs. And then I ordered my second one of these. So if you order these, this is the same kit that I just got with the other one. That is the exhaust blowouts, like the dumps.
So you got the other kit for that.
So yeah, you can see that. That's the other dump. So now I'll wire them both. And it said one switch will open both the dumps. So there's your toggle and all that stuff.
What's that for?
That's the bung plug.
Oh.
You bung plug? You gotta plug the bung.
Okay.
Okay. I think that's all the unboxing videos for a while. So if this is the end of the video, thanks for watching all the cool new stuff. You'll see it all installed in a future episode of Clark's Place. Why don't you like and subscribe? That sounds cool. We'd appreciate that. Bye-bye.